Hi friends, once again welcome back to BQ. Today we are discussing questions about APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. You can download the PDF file from the description below and study. If you are visiting for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications. Let's begin the trivia. Question: what is the full name of Dr. Abdul Kalam? Answer: Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Question: when was Abdul Kalam born? 15th October 1931. 15th October 1931. Question: which island is named after Abdul Kalam? Answer: Wheeler Island, Odisha. Question: Dr. Abdul Kalam was the dash president of India. The place. He is the 11th president of India. Question: to whom Abdul Kalam defeated in the presidential election in 2002? Lakshmi Sahgal. Answer: Lakshmi Sahgal. Question: the place where APJ Abdul Kalam born? Answer: Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Question: the e-newspaper started by APJ Abdul Kalam. E-newspaper started by APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer: Brilliant Deeds. Question: the tenure of APJ Abdul Kalam as Indian President. Tenure. Answer: 2002 to 2007. Question: the first Indian President to visit Siachen Glacier. Siachen Glacier. Answer: APJ Abdul Kalam. Question: which year APJ Abdul Kalam get Bharat Ratna? Which year APJ Abdul Kalam get Bharat Ratna? Answer: 1997. Question: the second Indian president to get Bharat Ratna. Second Indian president to get Bharat Ratna. Answer: APJ Abdul Kalam. Question: APJ Abdul Kalam is known as. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as. Answer: Missile Man of India. Missile Man of India. Question: the place where APJ Abdul Kalam died. Answer: Shillong in Meghalaya. Shillong in Meghalaya. Question: which year APJ Abdul Kalam died? Answer: 27th July 2015. Question: the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer: Wings of Fire. Answer: Wings of Fire. Question: the Twitter account of APJ Abdul Kalam. Twitter account of APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer: in memory of Kalam. In memory of Kalam. Question: the day which UN decided to celebrate World Students Day. Answer: October 15. Because it was birthday of APJ. Question: Trivandrum Technical University now known as. Answer: APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Question: APJ Abdul Kalam Mark is situated in. APJ Abdul Kalam Mark is situated in Kochi, Kerala. Question: the first winner of APJ Abdul Kalam Youth Award. First winner of APJ Abdul Kalam Youth Award. Answer: N. Valarmadi. If you like our video, please comment in the comment section. Signing off, BQ.